These are our Yummy Yoni Pearls. I know you've heard of Yoni Pearls before, but I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know. Sometimes this type of cleanse gets a bad reputation simply because people aren't instructing people how to use them correctly. When you buy your Yummy Yoni Pearls, it comes with one applicator for insertion, and it also comes with very, very detailed instructions. Cleansing with Yummy Yoni Pearls is super easy. All you have to do is insert them for 3 days. After the 3 days, you'll remove them by the strings. It's similar to a tampon. You don't feel them at all once they're inserted, and the string is hanging down so you can remove them easily. So once you remove them, then the detoxing begins. You'll start to see dead tissue, mucus, old blood. Everybody has different things coming out based on what you're cleansing for. The secret to using this cleanse properly without the itching and discomfort is water. You have to drink water. It's actually the first line of the detailed instructions included with your Yummy Yoni Pearls. During any natural detox, you have to drink water. You have to keep your body hydrated at all times. So every day during this 9-day cleanse, you have to drink 1 gallon of water for every 100 pounds you weigh. So if you weigh 100 pounds, a gallon is good for you. But if you're closer to like 150, 165, then you need to drink at least 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons. I know, that's a lot of water, but you're made of water. You need water. Water is life. And if you're somebody who has a problem with drinking water, just add some natural fruits like lemon, strawberries, watermelon, just to make it taste better. And there are other rules to using Yummy Yoni Pearls, like you can't have sex during a 9-day cleanse, you can't cleanse during your period, you can't go swimming, things like that. But they're all in the detailed instructions included with your Yummy Yoni Pearls. Still not convinced? I know you've heard the vagina cleanses itself, but in order for that to happen, the vagina has to be functioning in optimum health. And if you get yeast infections, bacteria infections, a little itch and odor, you know that it's not functioning properly. So basically, you end up going to the doctor, getting all these pills and suppositories for BV, yeast infections, and it's only just covering up the problem. It's not really healing the problem. See, with Yummy Yoni Pearls, when you start to detox, you'll notice that mucus coming out. You'll notice that, discharge coming out. You'll notice all of those things coming out that don't belong in your yoni. So queens, if you have cysts, fibroids, even infertility issues like blocked tubes, even if you have irregular cycles, if you haven't seen your cycle, Yummy Yoni Pearls is a perfect way for you to renew, restore, and rejuvenate your yoni. Okay, take care of that yoni, girl. You only get one.